Hi everybody, welcome to this platform. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so we've got this question where we need to find the value of x. X is right over here and here. So basically what we need to do here is simply to balance the bases. We've got a base 2 here, base 3 here. So how do we get to balance these bases? There is a property under logarithm which says that when you've got log base a of b, this is a base, and you want to take it to base c, you're going to write this as a log base c of b over log base c of a. So what happens here is that this will be a numerator and this will be a denominator. You introduce the base where you're taking it. So in this case, I took it to base C right over here. And where do I want to apply this? It's at this point. I want to change this base or the base at this term to be base 2. So it will be like this. It will be log base 2 of x. I maintain what is here plus. Now I'm changing here log base 2. I'm taking to 2 of x over log base 2 over 3 is equal to a 5. So I've changed the base here. We've got a common base. So now here, we don't want to have a fraction. So what will happen is we'll multiply throughout by the denominator, which is right over here. So it will be like this. You put the brackets and then you say, okay, you put the brackets and then you say log base 2 of 3. Okay, the brackets means multiplication. So I'll start multiplying log base 2 of x times log base 2 of 3. This will simply be equal to log base 2 of 3 times log base 2 of x. I've just multiplied this by this. And then you say plus log base 2 of x over log base 2 of 3 times log base 2 of 3. So when you multiply this by this will be cancelled by this. We shall just remain with log base 2 of x, which is equal to 5 multiplied by log base 2 over 3. It will be 5 log base 2 of 3. So that's it. Now at this point, we now check what is common. So if you're able to see nicely, you discover that this is common. It's found here and here. So we can factorize by simply saying or writing log base 2 of x, which is common here, open bracket, and then you shall have log base 2 of x into log base 2 of 3 multiplied by log base 2 of x. We just remain with log base 2 of 3. Here, it will just be a 1 because we factored out here, it's right over here, which is equal to 5 log base 2 of 3, like that. Okay. So now from this point, we can divide by this so that we remain with the log base 2 of x here. Let me clean. I'm running out of space. So let me just clean up here so that we can see what we're supposed to do. So we've got log base 2 of x, open bracket, log base 2 of 3. Okay. So here we say plus a 1 is equal to 5 log base 2 of a 3. Okay. I've just copied this. Is what we have right here. So now we can divide by log base 2 of 3 plus plus 1, sorry, plus 1 is this. Even here, log base 2 of 3 plus a 1. These two will go. We shall remain with log base 2 of x is equal to 5 log base 2 of 3 over log base 2 of 3 plus a 1. So this is where we are. We're at this point. Now, at this point, we're supposed now to apply another property. Okay? We're supposed to apply another property. So Here, the property that we're supposed to apply is to make sure that we've got x here alone. So how do we get rid of this log? So the way it is with logs, when you've got log base a of b, and we want to get rid of this log. Let's say here we've got c. You want to get rid of the log here. You're going to write b is equal to the base. This is the base here, and the power will be here. So what we have here is equal to this right here. So this base will just come and push this under. This will become the power. And this is what will happen. So if you're able to see nicely, we've got x here, which is equal to this base. It will be right here, a 2, like this a was. So we shall write 5 log base 2 of 3 over log base 2 of 3 plus 1. So this is our answer right over here. So all this thing will become a power. We can say x equal to 8.37. So this is a value of x. When you punch on your calculator, you get something that looks like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the video. This has been Sichamba Jacob, and bye-bye.